The British countryside beckons with the promise of idyllic landscapes and a slower pace of life. It offers a welcome respite from the hustle and bustle of city life. Imagine a place where rolling hills meet ancient woodlands, and charming villages hold centuries of stories. This is the magic of the British countryside waiting to be discovered. Today we discover every single reason why you should visit British countryside, so stay tuned till the end. From the rugged peaks of the Lake District, where the mountains stand tall and proud, their summits often kissed by the clouds, to the rolling hills of the Cotswolds, with their gentle slopes and patchwork fields that seem to stretch endlessly. The British countryside is a tapestry of natural beauty. Each region offers its own unique charm and character, creating a diverse landscape that is both captivating and serene. Lush meadows dotted with wildflowers stretch as far as the eye can see. These vibrant fields burst into color during the spring and summer months, creating a breathtaking spectacle. Picturesque rivers meander through the landscape, reflecting the sky above. These waterways provide a tranquil setting for leisurely walks and moments of reflection. Whether you're an avid hiker exploring the numerous trails that crisscross the countryside, or simply seeking a moment of tranquility, the natural wonders of the countryside offer something for everyone. The British countryside is a haven for wildlife enthusiasts. The diverse habitats support a wide range of species, making it a perfect destination for those who love to observe nature. Birdwatchers can delight in spotting rare species, with many areas designated as important bird habitats. The thrill of seeing a rare bird in its natural environment is unmatched. While nature lovers can explore ancient forests teeming with life, these woodlands are home to centuries-old trees and a myriad of flora and fauna, offering a glimpse into the past. Every season paints the landscape in a new light, transforming the scenery and offering a fresh perspective. The changing seasons bring a dynamic beauty to the countryside. From the vibrant greens of spring, when new life begins to emerge, and the countryside is awash with fresh growth, to the golden hues of autumn, when the leaves turn and the landscape is bathed in warm, rich colours. Each season brings its own unique charm, making the British countryside a year-round destination for nature lovers. The British countryside is steeped in history, with every corner whispering tales of the past. From the rolling hills to the ancient woodlands, every landscape has a story to tell. The air is thick with the echoes of centuries gone by, where legends were born and history was made. Magnificent castles, once home to kings and queens, stand as proud reminders of a bygone era. These fortresses, with their towering walls and majestic turrets, have witnessed countless battles and royal ceremonies. They are the silent sentinels of history, guarding the secrets of the past. Ancient ruins and historical landmarks offer a glimpse into the lives of those who came before. These remnants of the past, whether they be crumbling abbeys or forgotten fortresses, tell stories of a time when life was vastly different. They are the puzzle pieces of history waiting to be discovered. Explore the cobbled streets of charming villages, each with its own unique character and stories to tell. These villages, with their quaint cottages and historic inns, are like stepping into a storybook. Every stone and every building has a tale from medieval times to the present day. Step inside grand, stately homes and gardens, meticulously preserved to transport you back in time. These estates, with their opulent rooms and manicured gardens, offer a window into the lives of the aristocracy. They are living museums, showcasing the grandeur and elegance of a bygone era. Discover the stories behind these historical treasures and gain a deeper understanding of Britain's rich cultural heritage. Guided tours and interactive exhibits bring history to life, allowing you to walk in the footsteps of those who shaped the nation. Each artifact and each room has a story to tell. The countryside is a living museum, inviting you to delve into its fascinating past. From prehistoric sites to Victorian marvels, every corner of the British countryside is a testament to the nation's enduring legacy. It is a place where history is not just remembered, but experienced. The British countryside offers a wealth of opportunities for outdoor adventure and recreation. From the rolling hills to the serene lakes, every corner of this picturesque landscape invites you to explore and unwind. Whether you're an avid hiker or just looking for a peaceful escape, the countryside has something for everyone. Embark on scenic hikes through rolling hills, breathe in the fresh air and feel your worries melt away. The trails are well marked and cater to all levels of fitness, making it easy for anyone to enjoy the natural beauty. Along the way, you'll encounter stunning vistas and perhaps even some local wildlife. Cycle along quiet country lanes, stopping to admire the views and enjoy a traditional pub lunch. The countryside is crisscrossed with charming routes, perfect for cycling enthusiasts. After a morning of pedaling, there's nothing quite like a hearty meal at a cozy pub to refuel and relax. For a more leisurely pace, explore charming villages dotted across the countryside. Each village has its own unique character and history, offering a glimpse into the rural way of life. Stroll through cobblestone streets, visit local landmarks and chat with friendly residents. Browse local craft shops, sample regional delicacies at farmers markets, and soak up the friendly atmosphere. These markets are a treasure trove of handmade goods and fresh produce, providing a perfect opportunity to support local artisans and farmers. The British countryside is a place where time seems to slow down, allowing you to reconnect with nature and embrace a simpler way of life. Whether you're seeking adventure or tranquility, the countryside offers a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. So, take a moment to breathe, relax, and immerse yourself in the natural beauty that surrounds you. The British countryside offers a much-needed escape from the stresses of modern life. It's a place to reconnect with nature, delve into history, and embrace a slower pace. Whether you're seeking adventure or tranquility, the countryside has something to offer everyone. So pack your bags, lace up your boots, and discover the magic of the British countryside for yourself. Subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration and tips for planning your next adventure.